Right then, another project, and this one will be the only time that you see my face until the end of it, when I'm probably pointing and laughing, but we'll see. Skoda Yeti. So Danny, but we call him George, and Rob, they've all clubbed up, buying a car. So it's 4x4. They think this is going to be the next Touareg. They're going to be overtaking me and towing me up all green lanes and all that sort of stuff. Call bull on that straight away. But the idea with this is they've had it in their head for ages that they wanted to do like a bit of an overland type vehicle, put some mud tyres on it and let it have it and see where they could get, roof tent on the top and all that sort of stuff, which at first we laughed and pointed at them and heckled them a little bit. It probably makes a lot of sense because we seem to keep getting a lot of transporters, a lot of caddies, that sort of stuff in that have got some sort of all-terrain tyres on, jacked up a bit, and people are using them for just going on muddy lanes and stuff and getting to places that you wouldn't go in your normal car. You wouldn't really want to walk there with a load of gear. So I think it's a good idea. They've set up Dark Side Overland. I think you've got an Instagram handle as well, haven't you? Yep. So got an Instagram handle. So have a look at all that stuff, and they're going to go through it, fix all the problems because it has many. It's done nearly 200,000 miles, DPF problems, flywheel problems. There'll be something wrong with rear diff, there always is at this sort of mileage. So it'd be a good car to show what products we can sell and create some more products from it, lift kits, stuff like that. So I think it'll work. We've got a caddy in that we built for Dan quite a bit back and had it wrapped at gig and stuff like that, so it's got a few bits done on it. I think we did some paint work as well, or straightened some panels out over at the body shop. They're going to borrow the tyres off that and see if they fit on this. So Danny will put up what size fits on these and what size fits on the caddies and stuff as well. So yeah, I'm going to leave it to them to do the vlogs. It'll probably be terrible, so put in the comments how much you rate them, and if they don't say like, share and subscribe, they're hypocrites, because they always tell me to say it, so, and I never do. So anyway, let them get cracked on, and I need to go.
So like Wright was saying, we've got Dan's caddy here, running 215, 65, 16s, and I think these are like an all-terrain tyre. So we're gonna try them on the Yeti and see if we've got enough clearance, mainly on the front, but eventually we are going to try and get an 1.5 lift kit on this. So let's see if they fit. I think I've got worse jack here as well.
Just here?
Yeah.
Only just though.
So they're on. Pretty sweet, but we do get a little bit of catching. Tiny little bit. But I'm sure we can live with that. So we can tuck back off and put them back on Dan's caddy. Oh lads, we're in. I don't know. See if I can there.
It's just a Golf engine, isn't it?
Yeah. Just a Golf.
So later. Well, it's snorkelable then, so we're going to do.
Yeah.
Straight off here. You can just do it from here, to be fair.
Shut you idiot.
Why? Keep air filter, standard airbox.
No.
Why?
It wants to come straight from there, from that bit here, cut it straight off.
Why?
Or further back. Than that.
You might as well keep standard air filter.
You define object then though, Rob.
Why? There's an exhaust gas leak, Miller.
Yeah, I know. I can see it so.
It might be
That battery. Look. It's got 100 guards on it, hasn't it? So you can't see down. What's it drive like?
Well, it'd be right. To leather seats and everything in this car.
What's it in limp mode? What's it saying?
Nothing, that's the weird bit.
Won't it drive and is it just underpowered or?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's limp mode. That's not standard.
Just need a bit of strength. What's it look like in there, Rob?
Winter. A bit dusty, right?
I don't like it. Pull that out when the breaking the car. Make sure it's not yellow. Cream it out.
Put a bit in there.
So the Yeti's back in the workshop. It's Thursday night at 5 to 6, and this Sunday we're supposed to be going along to Tixover Quarry with Ryan and the Touaregs. So we haven't really got that long to get everything done. Been a budget build. We have searched high and low on the clearance shelves and everything. I found a few used parts. I've got everyone laughing in the background, not helping. So first of all, we've found a used SRE clutch and flywheel, dual mass, and then the next one is this top half at downpipe, brand new second half, and then new parts, Aldex service kit, new oil, 20mm front lift spacers, got top at struts, and we salvaged these coilover adjusters, which are going to need modifying. New clamps, gaskets. Rob managed to get the tyres fitted to all the steelies. Which are going to need a little coat of satin black, neaten them up. So basically we're going to try and get everything done tonight and it ready so we can just set off Sunday morning. Probably not going to be the case, but see how it goes.
See what I mean? I just said put a time lapse on.
So that one is EGR blanking plate.
So just about to send it up with undone strut top bolts, well 2 of them so they don't drop out, there for the little spacers, downpipes unclamped, EGR pipes ready to come off, start motor bolts out, start motor's disconnected, all battery tray, battery's gone, gear linkage is disconnected, 2 top bolts are out on there, so we'll send her up and start unbolting everything underneath.
While we've got wheels off, thought we'd upgrade to a stud and nut kit. Make it a bit easier to get wheels on and off if we need to. First problem, probably not the last. So we've just took off one of the rear springs to find that it has snapped, which is not ideal. Luckily, next door SRS have got these, which are off Tiguan 4Motion, so they should do the job. They are a little bit shorter, but luckily the adjusters that we've got to lift it up are adjustable, so should be able to compensate. Refurbished the steels. Good old satin black to the rescue. A lot better than before. So let's whack them on. We need some spacers. So, back on the Yeti. Thursday night, again, the following Thursday. Last Thursday, I think we bit off more than we could chew. We didn't manage to get it done. Luckily, Ryan and the other Touaregs didn't go on Sunday off-roading, so we didn't miss out on much. But we have still got a massive pile of parts to fit. So, clutch and flywheel, DPF, drive shafts, spacers, everything to go back on. Rob's making a start. It's probably 3 bolts holding the gearbox on at the minute. So not too long before that's out. Hopefully we can get it done today. Crack on. She's out. I think the flywheel's seen better days. Let's get her swapped. 5 to 11. Still here. Almost done. Everything's back together. Ready for the first startup. Fingers crossed. Come on, Baz.
Yeah.
25 to 12. I think we're pretty much there. I think it looks pretty sweet. I don't know what you lot think, but let us know in the comments. And just for Ryan, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on trails.